What is up, trappers? Check it out. Trap My Ride is live. We are creeping while you're sleeping. Check it out back here. We got the Trap Star, guys, and it is lit. But guys, that's not what we're messing with tonight. We got the TrapBlazer out here. There's the notification. The Trap My Ride is live, guys. I don't know if you can see, but my face is dirty. My hands, I just washed them kind of quick. They're not really clean. But guys, I'll show you what I'm working on tonight. Man, we had a heck of a time. And I'll show you what I'm talking about when we get around here. But guys, check this out. This is what I'm working on. Ooh, yeah, you can see I still have this one to do. Check it out. Yeah, we got the ring lights in. The backs here, guys, they mount to your dust cover. And I didn't have dust covers on the back of my truck, and guys, man, what an experience, what a pain in the ass that was, for real. But guys, there it is. That's the wheel lights, and they're coming along. But let's go over here. I'll show you. Jonathan, he was here helping me till I don't know how late, and he finally took off, but he's been gone for hours, guys. Check this out. But anyway, these things, they mount to, let's see if I can get in here. Check this out, guys. These things mount to your dust cover on your brake. You know, you got to take your caliper and, you know, everything off. Your rotor, it's got to come off, and they mount to your dust cover. So in the rear, I didn't have any dust covers, and O'Reilly's got me the wrong ones twice. But the last ones, the bolt holes at least lined up, so we made them work. They're a little different than the ones here on the front, so we cut them to fit, and they went on real good. But this one, guys, this is the front one I'm working on. I'm actually letting my my drill charge. It died on me. I was drilling this hole here. This will go, we'll bend that. It'll go back here, and then I'll just use a hand riveter. We'll put a rivet in there, hand rivet them on real nice, and we'll put them all back together. But this line is going to run up to the top. You see I've got it run through here, so it's out of the way of the tire, but it's not completely ran. But we're gonna get, we have this one in. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's kind of hard. Let's turn this flash on. Those lights are kind of crazy, but you can see we got the rivet in this one, guys, and it just, they drill and mount up. These came from Amazon. I'm waiting on the second one here. Like I said, my drill died, so I gotta finish drilling this hole, get those riveted in, guys. But yeah, the dust covers in the back were a giant pain, man. Getting them on is one thing, because they're really supposed to go on like in the rear. I don't know if you can see back here, guys, but it's hidden behind here. Here's a little bit of it. This little metal piece, damn, if this thing will focus. Okay, this little metal piece that's right here, it actually goes on like before the axle and the hub goes on. There's no hub back here. It's a live axle, so it slides into the rear end. So we had to cut it, but it was still wrong. So we had to make sure that it cleared all the way for the caliper, and we got all that stuff on. But guys, these seem to be pretty nice kit. Real easy to wire in. You can wire in your turn signals, in your brakes, and I'll get all that in, guys. But this was a nightmare with the dust covers. That was a real pain. That was harder than actually doing the lights. If it wasn't for that, we would have had this done yesterday, guys. But this is pretty cool. This will make the Blazer look real nice. It'll go good with the underglow, guys. And maybe we'll show up to the meets this weekend blinking and making a lot of noise. You know, that's how we like to do it. But we're out here creeping while you're sleeping, guys. But these came from Amazon. I think they're like 180 bucks. Seems pretty cool. It comes with a remote, and they're Bluetooth controlled. Man, that looks off. It's not centered yet, guys. It'll look a lot better once it's on. But real nice. Andrew Detmer, he says, what's up, man? He says, I like it. Looks good, bro. Thanks. I can see you guys are watching early this morning, but let's see if we can get in here and show this box off. Let's see if I can get the damn light come on. Here we go. This is a control box that comes with it. If you scan the QR code, it'll take you right to the app. But let's see the ends. I just have them kind of just wired in real quick here, but it'll let you tie in your turn signals, left and right turn signal, in your brake. So when you hit your turn signals, you know, say you hit your right side, this one should flash orange, amber, whatever. And if you hit your brakes, they should light up red. But there's all kinds of patterns and different everything you can do with these guys. So they'll look real good in here. Let's see, let's get this light off. There we go, guys. But it's coming along. Hopefully it should be done here in the next couple hours. I have some kids to get on the bus and things like that. But hopefully we'll get this all finished up. The only thing I'm really waiting on now is my drill to charge. So that's my delay. So while I'm delayed, I figured I'd show everybody what we're working on here. That's what we're doing today, guys. And we have a project for the mini truck coming up too. We're gonna rewire the switch box. That thing is a freaking mess, guys. I don't know who wired that thing, but it was terrible, terrible, terrible. So we have some new ends and all the stuff to redo that. So we're gonna rewire the switches and that real soon. Tonight, guys, we're meeting at O'Reilly's here in Napanee. I think we're gonna get out there at 6, 7 o'clock or so, and everybody's welcome to come out and join us. I know Night Therapy's having a meet up at Meyer or Martin's. So I don't know, we might hang out for a while at O'Reilly's and see what's going on, and I don't know, maybe we'll head up there tonight, guys. That sounds like a real good time to me. Maybe I'll grab the Fusion guys and see if I can get my crew to go with me, and maybe we'll head on up there. We'll grab Jonathan and we'll make it a thing, guys, and we'll go see what everybody's doing up at Night Therapy. But I'm digging this. This looks great on the wheels. I want to get the back of the wheels cleaned up real nice so they're nice and shiny, but they are spitting out light, guys. I just have them set to auto. No real pattern to them, just whatever, I don't know, whatever the hell auto is. But the 4 of them should look real nice, guys. Especially, oh shoot, if I didn't watch trip over stuff. Jeez, oh Pete, some terrible guys. But I'm digging it. I'm loving it. It's definitely cool, guys. It'll make the Blazer look real nice. Definitely a good addition. But that's what I'm doing this morning, guys. We're out here. I want to get this wrapped up so I can move on to other things. I like to get my truck put back together, and maybe go to Speedway and get a coffee this morning after I put the kids on the bus for school. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Thanks for coming out watching, and you'll definitely get to see these in full effect when it's all done. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're doing. Another episode of Creepin' While You're Sleeping. Keep on trapping, and we'll see you guys in the next one.